Hi everyone, my name is Lilian, one of the digital designers of Foleon. Today's lesson is about Foleon terminology. While working in the drag and drop editor, we've come across a few important Foleon terms. In this lesson, I will show you the major ones briefly. In the editor, you have the following ones: projects, single publications, publications, theme, previewing, publishing, pages, and forms and overlays. So here you witnessed the most important Foleon terminology. In the following lessons, I will go more in depth about these certain topics.